Hello my friend, today I'm gonna show you how to create a simple Instagram animation like the one you see right now at the bottom of your screen, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're in Premiere Pro, I already downloaded the Instagram icon. First let's create a sequence. And drop on that sequence our Instagram logo. And we need a title with your Instagram. Let's make it a bit bigger. Drop some shadow. And extend it. The third thing, let's scale our Instagram logo so it will fit. It should cover all the letters. So it will go like this and revealing the title. First, let's make animation for the Instagram logo. We creating the first keyframe and move the logo out of our screen where it will start the animation. Then we put the end animation is where it's supposed to finish. So what we have right now, it's too slow, let's make it shorter. Okay, perfect. Now I want to make it a little bit more smooth, so it will start fast and finish slow. To do so, we need to click right mouse button, choose temporal interpolation and choose ease in. And when we expand the position, we will see how it will go. So I wanted to start faster. I will just adjust that one. Perfect, that's what I need. The next step is by masking, reveal the title after the logo. To do that, we need to put the mask on opacity. Let's make it like this. And I will change the feather to 6. So by feather we could control how smooth it will appear. So it will appear like this, or it will appear like this. And now we need to press on the mask and move it out. Now by navigating frame after frame, to do so you need to hold K and press L to move one frame forward and J to move one frame backward. So we move a bit forward, and on the point where Instagram logo almost reach our title, we select our title and press toggle animation button, that the clock one, on the mask path. So right now our mask path is started to be animated, and we press on the mask and we move one side of the mask along with the Instagram logo frame by frame. We move one frame and move the mask. One frame, move mask. One frame, move mask. And we keep doing like this until whole title will be revealed. So we got it. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Right now I want to reveal it, hold for a few seconds and then make the same type of disappearing. So what we can do is to play it, wait for a while, press stop, cut the rest out, select our clips, right mouse button, nest, get title. And right now we could just copy that clip by holding Alt and drag it with left mouse button. And now we have two the same clips. And the only thing we need to do is to reverse the second clip. To do so we press Ctrl R and press reverse. That was the reason why we were nesting it, because without nesting we will be not able to reverse the clip. Press OK. And what we have right now. I think it stays too long, so let's make it shorter. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Subscribe on my channel for more tutorials. Cheers.